This video is going to show you how to display WooCommerce products on custom pages easily. I'm using Elementor Page Builder, but you can do this on any other page builder or content editor. To display the product, we need to add the WooCommerce Products shortcode. Here in Elementor, I grab the shortcode element. This is where we want to add it. For other page builders, you can look for code element or text block element. On the field, add open and close brackets. Add the products text. As you can see, all the products are displayed. Now, I'm going to limit the product count to 6. I will also adjust the number of columns. Next, let's filter the products shortcode so it will only display a certain category. For this example, I'm adding gold. The list of product categories can be found on the Admin Dashboard Products tab. We can order them by popularity, and also display only the items on sale. Suppose you have multiple products, you can add pagination by adding a paginate attribute with the value of true. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more.